What are we doing here, chef?
Just seasoning, a little bit of salt and we're good to go.
And that's...
VEGETA.
And the style of cooking is called...
Merak Cooking.
Merak Cooking, thank you. And today on the menu, yes, that's the one. Today on the menu we have two Sachs.
Yeah, but I've got a helper. Check this helper out. Do it again. No, don't do much. That's it. Go. Oh, yes.
Wow. Good job.
Okay. In this one we have veal neck and veal shoulder. Over here, pork loin. Look at that beauty, huh? Oof.
Lovely.
So we'll put corals on top in about 5 minutes as soon as they're ready. And for about 45 minutes, just serve beer, don't touch it.
Okay. Thank you.
Dude!
Hey, dude.
Can I have some? Nah, man, you have it. I want you to have it, dude. Okay.
What are we doing?
Now, spectacular. You. This. Good job.
Lift it up.
Can you lift it up? Show them how it's by the way, kids don't try this at home. He's been practicing this for years. It's not as easy as it looks. Go.
Oh.
No, actually. See these juices? That's only fat. Fat from the meat. And now we'll add some vegetables.
Smells beautiful.
Can this camera capture the smell? Or is it a cheapie?
It's a cheapie. That one's for the next one. And just half of those.
Are we putting the meat back now?
Yeah, we'll put the meat back as soon as we put everything. Half of this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Čekaj samo sekund. Ovo nema sredina. Uf! Robin, can you pass another one of these, please?
Trays.
Trace. It's melting already. It's only been here for an hour. So this is all veal. Veal shoulder and veal neck. Okay. Look at this, melting already. And we're only a third of the way in. There's nothing like being third of the way in, is it?
What a matter.
You're already enjoying it and you know it can go much further. Beautiful. We'll see you again in an hour.
Let's do this.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
An hour has passed. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Beautiful.
It's very orgasmic. The smell.
It is? Okay.
It doesn't take you much apparently, but yes, it is.
Okay.
Nije ni 15 metara,
Sad moraš na engleski.
Pazi oči.
This is just
I called it orgasmic, Angel.
seriously palatable, as deli owners from our community would say. Seriously palatable. There's a bit of Heinz in all of us.
Oh, look at that.
Ovo je podržan.
Knock, knock. Who's there, Moo? Wait, what's up?
Dobar dan.
I tebi, sinko, kako je?
Kakvi su utisci?
Au, prelepo. Znači, ko je glavni odgovorni?
Može jedan pozdrav za Baneta.
Bane, veliki pozdrav od obožavaoca. Iz Čuruga.
Onoga koga non stop spominješ. Ćao, Bane!
Volimo te puno.
Dobar dan.
Razgovor.
Ovo je baš imao.
Može jedan pozdrav za Baneta.
Vijestića.
Da.
Uvijek. Mi smo obožavaoci. Ovdje. Da. Ćao, Bane!
A jeste li
Za koga šta je? Za Baneta. Pa ne znam, je li Bane poželio Igmanu sretan rođendan? Bane, budi odgovoran i čestitaj čovjeku rođendan. Ipak je... Red je red.
Pazi kako se ponašaš.
I pazi kako se ponašaš, da.
Ovako se ne ponašaš.
Pazite na ponašanje. Sretan ti rođendan, Igmane.
Ready? Set, go. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. This is our chef in training. He's reading a book so he can be better at this art.
Very good.
Nećete člana.
He's halfway there. 1, 2, 3. German made. Keine Mu. Keine große Mu. Das ist Milka. Milka Mu.